Welcome to Holy Faith Junior College of Commerce, Hinganghat. Yesterday we had discussed exercise 2.3. Exercise 2.3 is completed. Now come to the exercise 2.4. Exercise 2.4, question number 1. Find AT. AT means transpose of A. Find the value of transpose of A matrix if number 1 matrix 1 3 minus 4 5. First of all, finding the value of A power T means transpose of A, we have to first find out the value of A. We have to denote the given matrix by capital A, and for finding the transpose we have to interchange row by column. We have to convert the first row into the first column, and we have to convert the second row into the second column. If third row is present, then we have to convert into third column. Okay, like that. See here, first of all we have to denote let capital A is equal to 1 3 minus 4 5. 1 3 minus 4 5. Therefore A power T means transpose of A, value of transpose of A matrix is equal to, we have to convert the first row in the first column. We have to write down the first row in the first column. What is the first column? 1 3. And what is second row? minus 4 5. Minus 4 5 we have to write down in second column. This is the required transpose of matrix. Make the box and write down required solution. Make the box and write down required solution. Now come to the second question. If capital A matrix is equal to 2 minus 6 minus 4 0, we have given capital A matrix and we have to find out the value of transpose of A. For finding the value of transpose of A, we have to convert this first row into the first column, and we have to convert the second row into the second column. What we'll get here? Since given that capital A is equal to 2 minus 6 minus 4 0, therefore transpose of A is equal to first column 2 minus 4, second column we have to convert it into second row, first row we have to convert it into first column. What is first column? 2 minus 6. And what is the second row? minus 4 0, we have to convert it into second column. We have to write down this minus 4 0 into the second column, minus 4 0. Now this is the transpose of matrix. Be the required solution. Come to the question number 3. If capital A is equal to matrix 5 minus 3 4 minus 3 minus 2 1, what is the order of that matrix? It contains 3 rows. This is first row, this is second row, and this is third row. And how many column? It contains 2 column. Therefore its order is 3 by 2. We have to find out transpose of A whole transpose. And we have to prove that transpose of A whole transpose is equal to capital A matrix. For finding the value of transpose of A whole transpose, we have to first find out the value of transpose of A. After finding the transpose of A, we have to take its whole transpose. Okay. Therefore, since given that capital A matrix 5u minus 3, 4 minus 3, minus 2, 1. Therefore A transpose is equal to, we have to convert this first row into the first column. What is the first column? 5u minus 3. Second row into the second column, 4 minus 3. And third row we have to convert into the third column. What is the third row? Minus 2, 1. We have to convert into the third column, minus 2, 1. This is the value of A transpose. We have to give this capital A to the equation number 1. Now we have to find out the value of A transpose whole transpose. Now A transpose whole transpose is equal to, A transpose whole transpose is equal to, we have to change this row into the column. What is the column? 5u4 minus 2. 5u4 minus 2. And what is the second row? Minus 3 minus 3, 1. We have to convert this row into the second column. Minus 3 minus 3, 1. Minus 3 minus 3, 1. Now we have to check that matrix. 5u minus 3, 4 minus 3, minus 2, 1. It is nothing but the value of A matrix, where we have to write down here from equation number 1. Therefore from 1, therefore A power t whole power t is equal to capital A. It is nothing but the value of capital A matrix, where we have to write down this value from equation number 1. Therefore from equation 1, A power t whole power t means transpose of A whole transpose is equal to capital A. This value we have to prove here. Therefore transpose of A, its whole transpose is equal to capital A. In the last we have to write down hence proved. We have to write down hence proved. In the next lecture we will discuss the exercise 2.4 of the remaining questions. Okay, remaining questions of exercise 2.4 we will discuss in the next lecture.